Granite Creek Copper is a member of the metallic group of companies, sharing the business approach of acquiring district-scale brownfields assets at the bottom of the metal cycle and applying a systematic approach to exploration. Modern technologies and exploration models are brought to bear with all three companies targeting world-class discoveries. Granite Creek Copper owns 100% interest in the 115 square kilometer Stu-Copper Gold Project located in the Minto Copper district of Canada's Yukon territory. Located approximately 210 kilometers northwest of Whitehorse, Yukon's capital city, and 47 kilometers from the village of Carmacks, the property has excellent access to infrastructure with grid power and paved road less than 20 kilometers away. From the project's location in central Yukon, a paved highway leads to a deepwater port at Skagway, Alaska, complete with concentrate loading facilities. The high-grade Minto Copper district is home to the Pembridge Resources Minto-Mine to the north and the advanced stage Carmacks project to the south, with Granite Creek Stu-Projekt sandwiched between them. The Stu property was acquired in January 2019 from a well-known Yukon prospector and represents the second largest claim holding in the district at 115 square kilometers. After property acquisition, the company worked quickly to advance the property by compiling a large historic database of soil samples, geophysics, trenching, and drilling. Key to this compilation was a treasure trove of data held in a private database that had never been released to the public. Desktop work on this data resulted in the development of 4 multi-kilometer scale targets, including a high-grade A zone with drill intercepts to 3.5% copper and 2.5 grams gold over 13 meters. The company's initial field program in the summer of 2019 confirmed the tenor of the mineralization and laid the groundwork for a 2020 program. Modern geophysical and geochemical techniques represent an opportunity for discovery by providing a more complete data set than acquired by previous operators. In February of 2020, the company was able to add a further piece by acquiring the raw data from a magnetic and radiometric survey that covered over 80% of the property. Initial review of the data has showed a correlation between mineralization and magnetic signature. Areas of high magnetic contrast show a correlation with known anomalies. Processing of data will allow the company to further refine drill targets and de-risk future drilling campaigns. A data sharing agreement signed with our neighbor Copper North allows us to model various attributes, geophysical and geochemical, of a known deposit. This modeling, in conjunction with our own data compilation, allows us to design and refine exploration programs on our ground. In December 2019, Granite Creek, recognizing the synergies between the preliminary economic assessment stage Carmacks deposit and the company's adjacent Stu-Projekt, acquired a 30% ownership in our neighbor Copper North, giving our shareholders exposure to a high-grade copper, gold, silver resource. The company looks forward to attracting further interest and investment in the Minto Copper Belt and continues with a collaborative approach to development. The producing Minto-Mine and advanced stage Carmacks deposit, along with the blue sky represented by the Stu-Projekt, make the district a compelling place to invest. If you look at it, the company's actually moved quite rapidly to get to the position that it is today. From our acquisition in the spring of 2019, the follow-up acquisition of a large private database, a signing of a data sharing agreement with Copper North, the quick development of 4 multi-kilometer target areas. We actually completed initial field programs in 2019 as well, and then acquired a 30% interest in our neighbor. So from a consolidation standpoint and a data acquisition and project development, we're ahead of where a lot of companies would be from a standing start. The next steps that the company will undertake include processing and modeling of the recently acquired geophysical data to assist in drill targeting, and modeling of the historic drilling to determine the required steps to publish a 43-101 compliant resource, and evaluating and developing additional targets.